Good morning from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. It is Sunday, November 17th, 2013. We have quite the period of active weather ahead of us for over the next 36 hours as a strong low pressure system moves northeastward across the northern Great Lakes this evening. Out ahead of the low, strong and severe thunderstorms are likely across much of lower Michigan, with the risk of severe thunderstorms producing damaging winds in portions of northern lower later on today. Much colder air moves in behind the system for tonight and becoming cold enough to produce lake effect snow by the time we reach the day Monday into Monday evening. There are potential for some light accumulations in northern lower Michigan and perhaps light to moderate accumulations in central and western Chippewa County during the day on Monday. There will be strong winds behind the front, both over land and over water, both during the night tonight into at least Monday morning. There's potential of wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour over land, which would produce some scattered tree damage and possibly some power outages. On the weather map early this morning, a rather complex area of low pressure was located to our west, extending from the upper Mississippi Valley down into the central plains. That system will coalesce into one stronger low pressure system as we go through the afternoon and evening, and again that low will move northeastward into eastern upper Michigan this evening. The risk of severe weather to our south today is substantial. There is a rare high risk posted in portions of eastern Illinois and much of Indiana for today, with a tornado outbreak expected down that way. As storms move northeastward, they will coalesce into lines or multiple line segments with a significant risk of wind damage downstate and some, at least an isolated risk of wind damage, again as far north as portions of northern lower Michigan. Again, the primary severe threat will be this afternoon. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening. The next hazardous weather briefing is expected at about 5 a.m. Monday morning.